Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng reaction opinion itong post video ng One News tungkol ito sa paghain ng petisyon ng United People's Initiative na pilitin ang Executive Department na maglabas ng tunay na kalagayan sa kalusugan ng Pangulo. Ito, sabi ni General Pukis, ang founder ng UPI, this is not political. Pakinggan natin itong balita ng One News.
You say that you're not political, that your group is not political, but we're having the reason that Ed is asking is because there are some instances when you also weigh in on political issues. No? For example, your group filed a injunction, petition for injunction to force Malacanang to declare these quote-unquote serious illness of President Bongbong Marcos Jr. That was just this week. You're also asking him to undergo a hair follicle test, drug test to determine substance abuse, which obviously has, we've heard that from partisan groups already. So, what do you think about it? Isn't that political statements as well?
No, it's like this. Of course, we filed a petition of Supreme Court for a writ of mandamus to compel the Executive Department to state into a real state of health, mental and physical mental health of the President as so required under the Constitution. Okay? That might be a political exercise or activity or initiative, but it's not a partisan political activity. That's the difference. As sinasabi ko, while UPI may be a political organization because we're composed of various citizens of various affiliations or denominations, but we do not participate in partisan political exercises in a different political. And because it's the binding
Where's that coming from?
partisan yun eh. It's not partisan, not partisan.
Okay, so you're a concerned citizen wanting to know the true state of the president. Now, but what about the drug test, sir? Where did that come from?
Balikan, yung kasing hinihingi natin sa Supreme Court ay hindi lamang physical, yung pwede mental health. Of course, sinasabi ng kapatid ng ating Pangulo na elaboration ng recognition. So, yung kanyang mental sa apektado dahil doon sa conditions na yun na siya ay nagtitindaga. So, kasama yun sa ating petition sa Supreme Court, physical as well as mental health ng ating Pangulo.
Generally, hindi kayo na-convince na nag-jogging si Presidente saka nag-jumping jack.
Mm.
Sa Malacanang. At paghabulan sa mga reporter.
Nakita naman namin, okay naman yun. At least napatunayan na hindi naman pala na-confine, hindi naman pala serious ang illness.
Yeah.
Okay yun. Kanya ang dito ay hindi lamang yung physical, kundi mental condition. Dapat may medical condition pang his doctors para official yung declarations na physically and mentally healthy. Yun. Hinihingi natin sa Supreme Court.
As a means of accountability, not political.
So, maganda ito. Grabe, no? Bakit ayaw nilang sabihin? May nabasa akong post sa US noong si President Ronald Reagan nag-undergo lang ng procedure for 2 hours. Na-hospital lang siya ng 2 hours. Ang ginawa ni President Ronald Reagan, i-transfer niya ang seat of power to his Vice President. Sino bang Vice President na? Parang Bush Senior. George Bush Senior. Yung tatay. 2 hours lang yun na pag sa hospital. Undergo some medical procedure. Ganon sila sa US. And then, sino ba yung next na hospital? I think yung si President George Bush Jr. Na-hospital din. Nakalimutan ko ng sakit. Transfer niya ang power. May nag-acting president, Vice President Dick Cheney. Ganon sila sa US. Ka-transparent. Dito sa atin, I don't know anong nangyayari. Inamin naman nila noon na mayroong sakit ang Pangulo na diverticulitis. At inamin na namamayat siya. Dahil si Executive Secretary Ralph Recto ang nagsabi nga, hindi ka ba papayat nga, poros lang sabaw ang hinihigop mo. So, ibig sabihin, nagkasakit ang Pangulo. O bakit ngayon? nagkasakit siya, just a simple medical bulletin signed by the doctors, that will solve the issue. Eh, sabi nila na magaling na ang Pangulo, pa-jogging-jogging, pa-jumping-jumping, jack. Personally, hindi ako satisfied doon. It's not a guarantee that the President is healthy and everything with those jumping jack and jogging-jogging. Masolve lang ang issue na ito is official medical bulletin. And ako, nagpapasalamat ako sa grupo ng UPI under General Romeo Pukis sa pagsampa ng writ of mandamus para pwersahin ang Pangulo o ang Executive Department na i-reveal kung ano yung, kung malusog ang Pangulo, bakit sila takot na maglabas ng medical bulletin? Diba? Ang ipinapakita nila is malusog ang Pangulo eh. Come to the gym with me and exercise and let's see who is stronger. Oh, ang gandang pakinggan. Sana nga totoo na malusog ang Pangulo dahil ang gusto ko, malusog siya at matapos niyang kanyang termino hanggang 2028. So, para ma-erase na ang mga haka-haka, medical bulletin. Yan ang hinihingi ng taong bayan. Kailan niyo ipakita ang official medical bulletin? Salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa channel na ito.